In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Similarweb Chrome extension, a tool that can vastly enhance your web browsing experience by providing valuable insights into site traffic and engagement patterns. First, open up Google in your web browser. In the search bar, type in Similarweb Chrome extension. This search will help you locate the extension you need to add to your browser. Once you've done that, look for the link to the Chrome Web Store that matches the Similarweb extension. This is the most direct way to ensure you're accessing the official and most up-to-date version of the tool, straight from the Chrome Web Store where all browser extensions are managed. After you click on the Similarweb extension link, you'll be directed to the extensions page on the Chrome Web Store. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add to Chrome. Click on this button to start the installation process. You'll then be prompted with a pop-up window asking you to confirm the action. Go ahead and click Add Extension. This step initiates the download and installation of the Similarweb tool directly into your Chrome browser. Once the installation is complete, head over to the extensions icon, which looks like a little puzzle piece. It's typically located in the top right corner of your browser, next to the address bar. Click on this icon to see a list of your current extensions. To make Similarweb easily accessible, you can pin it to your toolbar by clicking on the little pin icon next to it. Pinning it readily places the extension within reach whenever you're surfing online. With the extension now installed and pinned for quick access, go ahead and click on the Similarweb icon that appears in your toolbar. A prompt might appear asking for your acceptance of terms of use. Click I accept to continue. Now it's time to see the Similarweb extension in action. Visit a website of your choice. For instance, you might want to try going to a high-traffic site like Yahoo. Once you're on the site, refresh the page to allow Similarweb to gather the data it needs. Then click on the Similarweb icon in your toolbar once more. This brings up a wealth of insights about the website you're currently visiting, including traffic statistics, rankings compared to other websites, geographical data on where the visitors are coming from, and the sources of the traffic, whether it's direct, search-based, or through social media channels. If you're interested in delving deeper into these stats, there's an orange button within the extension interface that can direct you to Similarweb's main site. There, you can create a free account for more extensive and personalized insights into web analytics. So there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive guide on setting up and using the Similarweb Chrome extension. I hope you find this tool as beneficial as I do when navigating through the sea of information on the internet.